Hey guys, what is up? RubiksLife here. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be picking the winner of the Mirror Cube giveaway and be doing 5 walkthrough solves with the scramble on screen so you guys can follow along with what I do and we can just have a good time today. So let's get started. Alright, so the first scramble is right here on screen. Alright, so if I scrambled that correctly, this is what we got here. White on top, green in front. Alright, first thing I noticed right away is the orange piece. We've got blue here, red here, and they're opposites from where they need to be, and then we've got green. So I see orange is already correct, so I would probably line up, I'd probably bring down blue, flick it over, and in the process do the same move and bring red over, just like that. And then I'd move green over to this side here, bring orange down, and then flick down green, just like that. So that's cross. Next up, I see these two pieces. So I'd go ahead, pair them up, and it's a back insert over here. Next up, I see these two. So I can bring these over. It's another back pair insert, which makes our other pairs much easier to see because they're already in the front, so it'd be easier to insert them later. And then I see those two line up perfectly. And I got my 2-look OLL, which will allow me to get the yellow cross, do an algorithm to do yellow on top, and then this is a T-perm. That's the first 12. Alright, here's the second scramble on screen right here, and let's get started. Green in front and white on top. Alrighty, here we go. So this is what I got. I see blue is here, so we can easily turn it over, up, and in. But I also noticed that orange is on the opposite side here. So we can easily get green into opposite, and then put blue into its opposite side right here. So what we could do, I would bring down green, insert orange, green, and then I would turn over and up to line up blue. And then that would allow me to put red in place, finish the cross on the bottom, and then sink those down just like that. Alright, first pair I saw was green and red, which I'd flick across like this to separate them, pair them up, and then insert them in the back. This pair is already solved, so I'd do a cube rotation to put that in here. And then I see these two, and then these two right here. I'd have to do a cube rotation, another one back, insert, and in just like that. And then I'd get my yellow cross, and then OLL, and then we've got a PLL, which is these two and these two. So I don't know that one right this second, so I'm going to have to do a 2-look algorithm for that. So I do that, and there we go. Second one, done. Third scramble is right here, and here we go. Alright, here it is right here. First thing I notice is the orange-blue is in line with what it's supposed to be. So for example, if I bring this down and in, those are lined up perfectly. And then that brings down green to the blue side to pair up opposites, which orange is already in its opposite. So what I'd probably do is I'd insert here like that, rotate to the opposite side, and then flip them around. That's a super easy cross. First pair is these two, which I do F, U, F prime, which sets up these two. So I can turn that, pair those up, and then insert that in the back pair right there. I see this corner and this corner, which I'd lift, do a cube rotation here, and then this pair got automatically set up. This would have been a really good solve, actually. And then we've got this algorithm here, which lines up the yellow. And then we've got J-perm. Simple as that. All right, fourth scramble, here we go. Alrighty, first things first, I see orange is already on the white side, which is pretty cool. That's an extra piece. Blue's lined up, and so is green. Green's just 1 move or 2 moves away. So what I'd do is I'd line up red, put that in so it's on opposite of orange, and then fix it. So that way the orange and red are lined up. And then blue's already in its place, and then you can just pull down green just like that. Super simple cross. The first pair that I'd probably go for would be probably these two right here, because there's no key rotation. You can insert that with a back move, which lines up these two as well. So you have the whole left side done. So these two are super simple. You can go ahead and pair that up just like that. And then these two right here, you can flip that around this way. And that's all your F2O pairs. Get your yellow cross, your OLL, and then a simple T-perm again. And that is the 4th solve. All right, here we go, 5th scramble. All right, there we go. So first things first, I see we have orange and blue, and we'd have to line them up this way. So we'd have to go like that to line those up. Green is on its opposite side, and when we do this and lift it up, over, and down, that's gonna put, oh, actually we have to go this way. So we couldn't do that way. We'd have to do, there's green here. We could line up blue simply. I'd probably do this, which all of these are now on opposite. You can flip those around just like that, and then there's your orange. We've got, we can do this pair right here, and then insert that in the back slot. We have this pair here, which we could separate, pair together in the back to get our back slots out of the way, and then do a simple insert right there. And then we have these two. If we do a cube rotation, this will be a very simple pair. And then we've got this OLL right here. That was the wrong OLL. But that was the OLL. And then if we line this up, you can see clear. We have another T-perm. There's 3 T-perms in 5 solves. All right, cool. So thank you guys for watching the walkthrough. I'm gonna go ahead and pick up the winner, and it is, congratulations, and I will be sending that out to you as soon as possible. At the moment, I have no idea if my post office will allow me to send it, but get me your information. Either send it on Instagram at RubiksLife, and I'll talk to you there, and we'll figure it out, and I'll get it sent to you as quickly as I possibly can. So thank you guys for all entering that giveaway. Thank you all for watching this video. If you have any questions, any concerns, let me know in the comments down below. Leave your video ideas, leave a like. As always, have a great day, and I'll see you all in the next one.